Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we are back on Vancouver Island and we are in the city of Souk. Souk is about an hour drive outside of Victoria. It is well known for its beaches, its nature, and a lot of outdoor activity, parks, and all that kind of stuff. Today we are at a place called the Souk Treehouse, and this place, as you can see behind me, it is an actual treehouse. It is nestled right in nature. It is using the trees to actually hold up the frame of the cabin, which is offset from the ground. So today we're gonna go check it out and show you what the Souk Treehouse has to offer here. Let's go. So when you arrive to the treehouse, you walk along this beautiful boardwalk that leads right up to the cabin. Like I said before, this cabin is actually supported all by the trees surrounding the cabin. None of the trees were actually taken out to build this. As you can see, the trees are built within the cabin, which is a really cool feature to this place. The beam system supporting the cabin is also built onto the trees and around the trees, which really makes it feel like you are part of nature, living in a treehouse or staying in a treehouse for our sense here tonight. So some of the trees that you find here on the property are cedars, firs, and hemlock trees, which you find all around Vancouver Island and are popular to this destination. So another additional feature, which you can't go wrong with, is an actual outdoor bathtub or hot tub, I don't know. So they have installed this beautiful bathtub right now, right in front of the cabin. So I think later on I'm gonna get in that. So you can see this whole cabin is actually built on trees, and that is underneath the cabin. Cool, pretty cool. You can walk right underneath. Look at that. Supported by this tree, that tree, and the tree right here. Cool. So as you can see here, we are on the boardwalk that leads right up to the cabin. Nothing else around, leads right to the front door. Okay, so when you arrive to this treehouse, you have a door on your left, which actually leads to the actual kitchen, living room, sleeping area. Then on the right side, straight ahead, you have another door, which is the bathroom. Fancy outside bathroom. I guess you can call it outside, but it's just a separate room. And you walk on in, you got a beautiful sink, toilet, and a shower with stone ground and beautiful windows, big windows, so you actually see the forest and the nature right as you're taking a dump or having a shower. All right, let's go in and check the inside of the cabin. So when you enter into the treehouse, the door is behind the camera, and this is what you are welcomed with here. There are two floors to this treehouse. You have the main floor, which is this, and then above me is the loft. So right when you walk in, you can see we have a table and a bench right in the corner here with some beautiful pillows, good spot to enjoy with friends, play board games, have meals, etc., which leads it into the kitchen side, which is on this side of the open concept room. You have a full kitchen. It doesn't actually include a stove, but they do have a hot plate. So if you are cooking anything, they have all the utensils, cutting boards, utilities to cook dinner, lunch, whatever you might need. But yeah, just remember you have to use a hot plate for any stove material. As well, when you enter this place, this whole cabin and little tiny house is a hardwood floor. So again, common courtesy, make sure you take your shoes off when you enter, although it isn't carpet. Just a reminder, make sure you take your shoes off when you enter anyone's property. This place is heated as well, and when you enter, you need to make sure you turn the heat on because right now it is pretty cold out. We turn the heat on, you just make sure you hold the button to ignite the flame. It takes about 7 seconds to do that, and then it will heat this place really quickly. One more thing, before we actually head up to the loft here, which is right there, those little stairs, pretty cool. I just wanted to show you the surrounding. It's hard to see right now, but as you can see behind me, these big windows, literally everything around you, you're looking at the forest. So window there, window there, window there, all surrounding you is forest, which is pretty cool, and it's unique. It's a good place to come if you're trying to get out of the city, you want to get away from the noise. Perfect spot for that, just to relax and just chill. It has one bed upstairs, and that I would say is the max amount of people it would hold. If you're a couple, some friends, whatever, if you don't mind sharing a bed, this place would be perfect for you. Like I said again, it is a 1-bedroom loft, so it is pretty small, but it's perfect for a couple's getaway or a friend getaway if that's what you're trying to look for. So let's go upstairs now and check out the loft. It's kind of cool. It actually has a staircase, ladder. All right, so we made it up to the loft. Look at this. Oh! So, right off the bat, you have this super comfy bean bag, or I don't know what it is, a pillow to hang out on. In front of me is the bed here, and behind me, again, just surrounded by nature. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a bit about the rest of this loft. It has the bed here, the TV on this side. Again, big windows, 360 windows surrounding this whole place, and a lot of room actually. So again, I would suggest bringing your bags up here, putting your clothing or suitcase if you're staying a few days. Bring it up here so it's out of the main room. Lots of room here on the floor, and beautiful views. So this is the sleeping area here. This is where the TV is, and the bed isn't actually up on a frame. It's just on a frame on the ground, which is perfect for me. But like I said, again, lots of room here in this space to store anything that you have, any bags, that sort of stuff, and lots of room for activities as well. So one thing I didn't notice, which I just found, is in the corner over there, there is a little mini door that actually opens, and inside of the little door is a picture of a dog. I'm not sure if it's the owner's dog or if someone just taped a picture of their dog inside this door, but I think it's a funny little feature. Check it out. Look at this. This is what I mean. A little mini door. And you open it. It's got a picture of somebody's dog. I'm guessing it's the owner's, but yeah, thought it was kind of funny. It's in this little nook. So another thing that is a bonus of staying at this place here at the Treehouse is you are so close to the nature around you. Not only is this place located in East Souk Park, this place has a ton of beautiful hikes around East Souk Park, right along the ocean for beautiful scenery, nature, and just being outdoors, as well as only about a 30-minute drive is Victoria from here. And if you go the other way, like I said, into the Souk town, that's only about a 15 to 20-minute drive. Beyond that, you have beautiful locations such as Sandcut Beach, Sombrio Beach, Mystic Beach, and beyond that is Port Renfrew. So it is the perfect base for your outdoor adventure here on Vancouver Island. So like I said before, they do have an outdoor hot tub, which we're going to check out in a bit here, and I am going to jump in that because it looks amazing. And secondly, they also have a propane fire tank. So if you're wanting to have a fire and a propane fire here, let the owners know ahead of time and they can arrange that for you to make sure that propane tank is filled up for you to have that outdoor fire. But I'm going to change into my shorts right now and head out to the hot tub. Let's go. All right, so I had to come outside and show you this before I got in the hot tub. But look at this right now. The lights, fairy lights are on. The cabin is all lit up. This place looks absolutely amazing at night. We've got the blue hour light right now, clear blue sky, fairy tale lights. It literally looks like we're in like a movie or something in this place. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside now. I just wanted to show you this, but yeah, I'm gonna go back inside, get my bathing suit on, and come right back out. Okay, I think I hit my peak moment right now. I got my robe on, filling up the hot tub. There's actually steam coming out. It's so hot right now in the tub. It's like -5 outside, so this is gonna be perfect. With the cabin in the background, this is gonna be good. I am gonna undress and get in this tub. Again, I think I hit my peak moment. Do not judge me. Ooh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Whew. That's nice. This is like the perfect temperature right now. The stars are out, clear night, super cold out with this contrast of this like super hot tub. It's actually perfect. So this is how I'm gonna end the night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.